I have always been the creative type. When I was little, I found comfort and understanding in the ability to build what I envisioned. IXD at LVC gave me the innovative freedom to tap into my creative side. The ability to assemble and fabricate a creation of my own design, the sketch that became the 3D file that became the prototype that we tested over and over, the prototype that leads to the product that will shape our users' experience. IXD helped me understand design, coding, and data. I learned how human interaction and design thinking blends into the human experience. I worked on designing websites and building graphics that help fuel the user experience. I've created circuits and learned how 3D printing and fabrication is implemented. I have learned how to work on a team, manage projects, and progress my education to the next level by tapping into my ability to dream. That is why IXD is for me, and why IXD could be for you.